In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with M&T Bank using their mobile online platform. Whether you're seeking assistance with personal, business, or home banking needs, this guide is here to walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the M&T Bank appointment scheduling page at the provided URL. This platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Once on the page, your first task is to scroll down until you find the option to schedule an appointment. This is typically a prominent button or link that invites you to begin the process. As you enter the scheduling system, you'll notice it's broken down into a series of steps. The first step involves choosing which area you need assistance with. M&T Bank offers help across several sectors, such as personal banking, business, or home services. For today's example, let's say you're planning to open a new personal account, so you'll select personal banking from the options. Next, you'll want to choose the location for your appointment. The system will likely present you with a list of branches or service centers. It's important to pick a location that is convenient for you, keeping in mind any travel time and access considerations. Having chosen the location, the next step involves selecting a staff member to assist you with your needs. While you may have the option to choose a specific banker, sometimes the system will allocate the best available person for your selected service. With these selections out of the way, it's time to schedule your appointment. This involves picking a suitable date and time. The system typically shows available slots, allowing you to choose what works best with your schedule. Remember to consider your availability carefully to avoid any potential conflicts. Once you've chosen a date and time that suit you, the next step is to enter your personal details. This information is vital for the bank to confirm your appointment and provide a personalized service during your visit. After entering your details, carefully review your selections, and when you're ready, click the Book Appointment button. Finally, it's a good practice to check your email for a confirmation message from M&T Bank. This email will serve as proof of your appointment and may include further instructions or information you need to prepare for your visit. By following these steps, you can effortlessly schedule an appointment with M&T Bank, ensuring that you get the assistance you need at your convenience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your banking tasks.